In this episode of S&P Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic, Role of Project Manager. Authored by S. N. Panigrahi, Certified PMP, Authorized Training Partner ATP, Instructor PMI USA, Fellow Institution of Engineers FIE, Chartered Engineer, GST and International Business and Projects Consultant, Corporate Trainer, Mentor and Author, National Council Member, IIMM. Role of Project Manager. In the broadest sense, project managers (PMs) are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing the completion of specific projects for an organization while ensuring these projects are on time, on budget, and within scope. The project manager leads and manages the project team with authority, responsibility, and accountability. The project manager has an important role in interfacing between the project and the business of the organization. Broadly, the project manager has four different roles: interpersonal role, informational role, decisional role, and management role as described below. The interpersonal roles are the behaviors and tactics that a person uses to interact with stakeholders in a project effectively. Having good interpersonal skills promotes approachability, and creates conducive working environment to motivate the team to do a better job together. Some of important interpersonal roles are: work with a diverse range of professionals, ability to lead, inspire, motivate and govern, negotiate to swiftly and effectively reach agreements, solve team conflicts, adaptability to changes, build positive relationships, aware of socio-political developments. Diligence can be developed by commitment. Informational role. The primary role of project manager is to communicate appropriately to make certain that everyone involved shares this vision and the goals of the project. Project managers spend majority of the time in communicating to coordinate efforts, to gather a lot of information and disseminate it to concerned stakeholders. Important information or communication roles of project manager are: project perspective, internal and external communication; organizational perspective, vertical, horizontal, diagonal communication; communicate with all stakeholders effectively; keep people up to date; organize team meetings frequently; provide performance feedback; negotiate and resolve conflicts and issues; appropriate use of channels of communication. Decisional role. Of all project managers' role, the ability to make important business decisions is perhaps the most valuable. Strong decision-making skills are necessary to weigh the available options and choose the best course of action. Indecisiveness or poor decisions can put brakes on actions forward and may lead to project failures. Here are some decision roles of a project manager. Make a range of decisions at each stage. Weigh the options and initiate actions for improvement. Decisions to bring about change. Stay clear and focused. Balance the competing constraints. Decisions of scope, time, cost and resource etc. Prevent scope creep and budget slippage. Decisions to take corrective and preventive actions. Management role. An essential part of any project manager's role is to ensure projects are delivered on time and within budget by engaging and encouraging the team to perform. Following are project manager's management roles. Responsible for accomplishing project objectives. Planning what work needs to be done, when and who's going to do it. Recruit and manage team. Making sure the work is done to the right standard, within time and within budget. Manage finances. Respond well to ambiguity. Making sure the project delivers the expected outcomes and benefits. Adhere to business priorities. Create value for the organization. Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact S. N. Panigrahi at the below contact details.